This is Kozula 133. I thought it was especially cute because it happens to be a heart shape. And it's got some streaks in it. Very cute. Yeah, very cute tomato. Hey, what's up? We've got another tomato testing. Now that we recently took many different kinds of green tomatoes and ripened them up, now we've got stuff for you. So there's 6 kinds here. We have Artisan Blush Tiger. Let's see. Marzano. I always mess that one up. Then very tiny Sungold. Rena's Turban. White Cherry. And Kozula 133. So let's see. We start with Artisan Blush Tiger. And it's a long yellow fruit with blushing stripes going down. Let's see what it tastes like. Pretty good. Yellow tomato. I don't know. It just tasted like a yellow tomato.
It wasn't sweet.
There wasn't much impression there. It's beautiful though, I guess. It's good. I can never say it. Say it.
Marzano.
San Marzano. This is a paste tomato, so yeah, there's not much in the way of seeds. It's just mainly a thick tomato, long one. So, okay. Yeah, it's a nice, flavorful red paste tomato. It'd be good for sauces, for sure.
Yeah.
Like really good.
We usually remove the skin to make the sauce, and then the meat of it was really melting easily, so it's good. And it tasted like a red tomato.
Yeah. Then there's Sungold. That was the only one that ripened on the entire plant, so this is the only one we have to try. This is one I see recommended a lot by people. So unfortunately, we don't have much to sample here, but it's something. What?
This one has some juice, if you want to taste the juice.
But I've heard that they're nice and sweet and just delicious, so. Yeah, they weren't lying. That's really good. A little bit sweet, just a nice bold flavor of yumminess. Maybe a little citrus. Yeah. Very, very good. So I'm going to try to regrow that so that we have a little more luck with it, because that really was good.
This one was tasted not just like a normal tomato, it was better.
It tastes a lot like the orange tomatoes that we've tried that are so yummy and like citrusy, a bit fruity. Next is Rena's Turban. It's because it's in the shape of a turban.
Is it a paste or something?
I'm thinking it is it's
Yes.
very, very meaty inside, so I probably would use this as a paste tomato. Very, very much meat in here. Very little seeds. So let's see. It's pretty mild, like brandy wine. Maybe a little more zing to it.
It's mild, but it sounds almost just like a big chunk of the meat, tomato meat.
Like if you don't like it too juicy, this is probably a good one to try.
Yeah.
But it's a nice slicer size. It's supposed to be bigger than the one we had.
Like it would be, tomato like that are good in sandwiches, because then
Yeah.
it's not full of only juice.
Yeah, it won't be dripping down your arm
Yeah,
with
it's
the
just
mayo.
like a big chunk of solid tomato.
Then we've got like white cherry, and it's a bit more like a light yellow, like golden color.
I like white tomatoes because they're usually sour, like sour candy.
Okay. Oh, yeah, it is. Whoa.
Yeah.
Very sour, but really good. I enjoy sour. Yeah, that was really good to me.
Yeah. I like white tomatoes.
So if you're a person into lemons or sour candy or anything like that, that's definitely up your alley. Let's see, last one is Kozula 133, and as you see, it's a heart shape. It's adorable. I don't know, I don't think they all get that way, but ours happened to be a heart shape. It's like a pinkish red with yellow streaks in it. A beef tomato, but, well, I mean, we grew it with the normal sizes, so it's like a slicer, but looks like a beef tomato. I don't know, a little bit ruffled and stuff. Let's see.
I like that.
It's good.
It tasted like raspberry.
It is fruity.
I got a piece with juice and
Me too.
what's that? Kozula 133.
Yeah.
Maybe that's my favorite.
Man, it sounds like a science experiment. But this is a really impressive tomato. Not only was it cute and you know, nice colors and stuff, but it's really tasty.
Yeah, it's sweet.
I mean, just
Raspberry.
eating it by itself is really delicious. Okay, well that's the 6 we had for you. Hope you enjoyed it and give some of these a try. I'll see you later. Bye.